Hey guys, what's up? I'm so glad that I'm finally done that uploading, because every 5 seconds I heard Neville shouting out, "Can we go back to the common room now, please?" Oh my god, it's just so annoying. I do not understand how unlucky his parents are. So they dumped him on his grandmother, I suppose. So this is the last video of the night, so I'm going to just go back to the common room. And that's actually it. I'm really sorry guys, because I wish I could do more, but I can't. Oh, I just want to go to bed. Can we go now? I really want to do something though before I leave you. But I'm not sure what I can do. Why is that door locked? Oh well. So the videos, they've gotten 18 upload views in total, and I am shocked. I am in utter shock. Like, I only started today, and I was expecting about 5 in total. And there's only 5 Gryffindors in the place. Shut up, peas. Oh no. Tragedy strikes. So yeah, it's either between Simpsons Hit and Run and The Order of the Phoenix, and after Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone on PS1. So please comment. Well, whatever the first comment is, I'll do. So, and I'll do requests, which is good too. So let me just stress that there's a Folio Brutai page in there. If you want to be Hermione, there is a Folio Brutai page up here. You know what? Yeah, I'll just show you what this is, and then I'll end the day and hopefully start the next mission. And there it is. Alright. Great. Oh, depressing day at Hogwarts. My guess is that it's mid-November there, judging by the weather. And guys, I haven't actually apologized about the poor quality of the videos, but yeah, I'm sorry about that. I don't care. God, Harry, you can be such a dick. Because I'm Harry Potter. What else is there? I have to go now. Wait. Yes. No, that's just a long way. So soon enough, they will be getting trolls in on grounds. So I'll try to get everything all exploring in the other 7th floor done before that happens, if I were you. So this is my 13th video today. So I got 13 parts done in one day. So it'll be close to that. No, there won't be actually. I'll do about 10, 8, 9 or 10 tomorrow. It's between that. And so yeah, I'm really excited about the actually I'm gonna finish the Hagrid's Care for Magical Creatures, and then I'll go. So I won't just finish it up, I'll actually be helpful. $191, $111, 210. That boy, Gryffindor. That boy. So, sub me up, guys. I will show you where the Remembrall is as well. And actually, I might return that to. I'm not sure. So the Remembrall is just down here anyway. Right there. Ding. That's the old racing thing. And down there is just potion stuff, which I'm not bothered to do. How are you, Hagrid? So basically you have to catch as many bats as you can in 2 minutes, I think it is. I'm not sure. It's either 2 minutes or 200 seconds. Just 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Not really. There's only 6 people in that lesson. What can we tell our parents about this time? When we touch something that isn't ours, Hagrid, that you'd ask us to touch. Can we tell our parents about what we touched this time? I kid. Hagrid's a nice old perv. Oh my god, I just... So, if you didn't know, Ron can't do the bow. I know, Hagrid. Yeah. I would like to fly him, but I think I'll ride him instead. Yeah. Get out of my sight, bro. So I already got one. Oh, where am I going? Come on. Yeah. Oh, I got a good few there. I got 5. Oh, wow. I'm doing amazing. I only got... This is when it gets toughest. No, keep going, Buckbeak. Jump! It has some jump. Handbrake turn. Oh wow. Wow, I don't think I could be much more of a fail. Right, I got a few. One. Right, I have 95 seconds to get 3 deaths, which is unfair. And I've one more. Go on, Buckbeak! Champion. That's an A. Yes. Oh. You never said anything. Jeez. Jumping to conclusions, much Haggard. Yeah, so this is the end of this walkthrough. Alright, well, I suppose I can wait another few seconds. Ah, poor Larry. So I only have 2.5 minutes left, so I better get this done over quickly. That doesn't sound like Ron. Right. Apologies, potion much. Alright, so I'll see you tomorrow, which is the next part. So, yeah, see you then. Comment, like, rate, everything that has to do with it. Oh yeah, subscribe also. And, yeah, give me a shout out on your channel, or I'll kill you. Nah, I'm joking. I wouldn't kill any of my subscribers, even though I don't have any. Alright, so, see you tomorrow, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and bye.